Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner from Austin here, and today I'm going to be ranting on Rwbyanimations 2005 AAF AVGCP. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Rwbyanimations 2005 AAF AVGCP? What? More like Rwbyanimations Kiko. Oh my gosh, this user sucks so hard. Do you know why? Because this user calls me a Kiko, and he also and this user also told me to piss off. Really? Rwbyanimations 2005 AAF AVGCP? You cannot call me a Kiko, and you better stop telling me to piss off. You need to stop calling me a Kiko right now. Yeah, Rwbyanimations 2005 AAF AVGCP is a bad user. Yeah, this user's naughty. I hope Rwbyanimations 2005 AAF AVGCP gets terminated. I hope this user will be terminated. So do you know who likes this user? Vicky Prince, Joel Armstrong. They both like this user. And do you know who hates this user? Me, Gaming Master, and other users. We all hate this user in the super flaming burning passion. So Rwbyanimations 2005 AAF AVGCP sucks. And so does Dr. Manhole UTTP THTTC. Gaming Master, Shining Starco, and other good users are so many times better than Rwbyanimations 2005 AAF AVGCP. End of rant. If you have any request about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.